Watch out, Stunt Spud. It's going to get caught in your pancakes. Meanwhile, Farmer Fritter's cooking something up in his kitchen. I wonder what he's making this week. He's tangled! But look, his popcorn parachute has opened! Phew! Wow! Farmer Fritter's made the world's biggest sandwich. And Stunt Spud's headed straight for it. No one remembered the wobble. No one mentioned the fall. All they saw was Stunt Spud, a hero who gave it his all. And that's another daredevil stunt done. Well done, Stunt Spud.
Stunt Spud, only one potato worth.